Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer door upper hinge in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 5/16" nut driver and a tape. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer door upper hinge. The freezer door upper hinge is mounted on the top of the freezer door. It keeps the door in place and allows it to swing open. The main reason why the freezer door upper hinge would need to be replaced is if it wears out, preventing the door from working properly. All right, let's get to the top of the fridge and secure the freezer door with duct tape to the cabinet. So now we're going to remove this upper door hinge. I'm going to use the 5/16" nut driver. I'm going to take out this couple of screws and lift off the hinge. This is the old freezer door upper hinge next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, this is a new hinge. We're gonna drop it here in the bushing and then align the holes. I will need to move the door slightly. Install those two 5/16 screws, and using a 5/16" nut driver, I'm gonna tighten them. I'm now gonna remove the tape. Just peel it off. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.